I've got a question for you. My intention is definitely to not offend you, but I might offend you anyway. If you're in a sales role, especially if you're in the restoration industry and you're trying to get referrals, here's the question. Are you a professional visitor or are you a professional sales representative? There's a big difference. Hang in there with me, and I'm going to give you one thing to try that if you're not doing this already, it's going to make a huge difference. I have no doubt. And also, hang in until the end of this video because I've got to make sure that I'm not a professional visitor. You'll see what I mean. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name's Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. I coach restoration folks all over the country on sales, financials, systems, building a business they can sell someday when they decide it's time to move on. Okay, so what's this thing that I'm talking about? It's about making sure that you're crystal clear about why you're there. You want the next opportunity. You want that next water job, fire job, mold job, trauma job, rebuild job. You want the next opportunity. So why not be really direct every time you see the prospect, especially if it's been a long time since they've referred or they've never referred. Just get very direct. Let's say the prospect's name is Joe. Joe, I've been coming into your office to see you, getting to know you, getting to know your needs, getting to know you and your business, telling you about our business, and you haven't referred us. Why not? And just listen. Listen to what Joe has to say. I guarantee you're going to learn something. The other thing you can do is lighten the mood. Joke around. Say, listen, Joe, I've been coming here for weeks, months. I've seen you 5 times, whatever the case is. Why aren't you referring me? Wait, before you answer, let me guess. Is it because you took one look at me and said, my gosh, this guy I can't imagine this guy sucking water, cleaning soot, using any kind of power tools like a sawzall, right? Well, let me put your mind at ease, Joe. I'm not the guy that goes out to do that, but we have an awesome production team, and I guarantee you they will instill confidence if you ever see them on a job. So anyway, getting back to it. I'm a big boy. I can take it. Tell me why you haven't referred yet. And again, just be quiet and listen. As sales reps, we tend to talk a lot and not listen enough. So check your talking to listening ratio and just make sure you're asking for work and you're asking if they haven't referred, why not? You want to hear the answer. You want to hear their real answer because that's the only way you can do anything about it, right? That's how you know what your next move is. Okay, so to make sure that I'm not a professional visitor, I'm going to ask you, if we haven't spoken, please click the link below this video, book a call with me, and let's just talk. If you're interested in helping yourself with sales or helping somebody on your team with sales, I've got a program called RSA, the Restoration Sales Academy. I'll tell you about it. If it seems like a good fit, you'll give it a try. If not, we'll move on. All right. Thanks for considering. And also remember, click the link below this video, book a call with me, and let's talk. Thanks for watching.